wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is when you see that title. So you guys want to know about the latest makeup launches coming out? Let's go. Okay, of course, first thing I see is a Colourpop, and of course it is a collaboration. A new Disney collab. I feel a cough coming on. What is new for Colourpop to be collabing with Disney? It is a Beauty and the Beast x Colourpop collaboration. Have they not done this before? Like, I feel like, have they not run through all the Disney princesses? But it doesn't say. It's like a revamp, or they're bringing it back, so I guess it's new. But they are collabing with Beauty and the Beast. I'm sure it will look like every other Colourpop collection, just you know, draped in Beauty and the Beast packaging. So let's move on. Ooh, what is this? What is this? New fragrance collection from Charlotte Tilbury. $150 for 100 milliliters. That's the biggest size. $25 for 10, and then $30 for a set of 6 that have 1.5 milliliters. Pink pepper. Oh, so it's called Love Frequency Top Note Pink Pepper Rose Velvety Musk. Okay. More Sex. Okay, Charlotte. Black pepper oil. Okay, velvety musk. Berry oil. Calm bliss. Lavender. I found that I like fragrances that have lavender in them. Cosmic Power. Would I test this out? Absolutely, positively. You know, Auntie Charlotte usually doesn't miss. The packaging is cute. The top throws me off a little bit, but yeah, I would definitely smell, at least from what I'm looking at least 3 of these. When does it come out? Available April 30th. Revealed new, there are also blushes from NYX. I don't know if you guys remember, but I told you about the contours, which I still haven't tried out yet. But baby, look at the pigment in that. Look at it. Now, NYX usually does not miss on complexion products, so would I try that? Absolutely, positively. Might need to do like a full face of NYX Cosmetics. Okay, new scents, hair and body fragrance mist from Flur. So they are $20 for 3 ounces or $35 for 8 ounces. There is Dragon Fruit, which is a tropical fruity floral fragrance, and then Moonstone, which is a captivating fruity floral fragrance that opens with the glistening notes of green apple, pomegranate, pineapple, and oh, I keep saying like I need to smell this. I go into Sephora and then I completely forget about it. And I know Tasha was just asking me the other day if I've smelled Missing Person before, but that Moonstone literally said everything that could get me to go into Sephora and smell this. I am intrigued. I want to smell it. If you've smelled this before, let me know, or like the brand before, let me know in the comments how you like it. I keep hearing about this brand. This is the brand that I was talking about in that affordable body care that people keep saying their body oils are really good. I think it's Boma. They have a new Lip Tide lip oil available now. The lip oil retails for $11.99, lightweight glossy formula. Oh, it's just explaining the 3 different not shades, scents, I guess, that you could get. I would definitely check this out, but I want to check out the body oil the most. I heard that is Chef's Kiss. What is this? New freckle pen from Pink Honey. Always, when I was literally chilling for like the last 30 minutes, nothing. I hit record, now someone's moving. Okay. With a special tip applicator, allows precise and controlled application of the freckles, from a gentle sun kiss dusting to precision application on full glam, creating a bolder statement. This retails for $11.61 each. I don't draw freckles on, but I do draw like little beauty marks, which I have natural beauty marks, which ironically enough, I don't fill in the natural beauty marks that get covered by makeup. I just draw other places on my face. So would I purchase this? Yes, I would, because I actually do use this pen or a product like this frequently. The one that I use is from Freck Beauty, but I like the fact that it's the tip of this is an actual ball. I feel like it'll be better giving you a circle, because sometimes, like, you know, especially my hand be shaking, it be coming out however it wants to come out. So I am intrigued about this, and they have it in different shades too. Available now. New Parisian Cafe candle collection from Diptyque. Now, I actually went in there and smelled this brand's candles. you know, sometimes you be seeing things that are hyped up by everyone else and you're just like, maybe I'm the problem, because it was not giving to me. I feel like if you like the spicier, muskier, woodsier type scents, then this will be right up your alley. But for me, everything in there was giving must to me. But let's see, delectable delights, playful illustrations of whimsical Paris decorate their jars, limited editions, $78 each. Cafe, coffee, biscuit, cookie, chantilly, whipped cream, fruits, candied fruits. I mean, the descriptions definitely sound a little sweeter than what I experienced when I was in there. Mind you, that was probably like 2 years ago. See, it's like, so now it's kind of got my interest. Interested enough to go, like, you know, purchase it without smell? No. But interested enough to go back into the store and see what it smells like? Probably. Ooh, what is this? You know, it only takes cute packaging for my interest to be piqued. New perfume from Steve Madden. Okay, whose scent did he rip off? Because, you know, one thing about Uncle Steve, baby, he gonna dupe inspired by something. A shoe, a bag. I wouldn't be surprised if you could throw in a perfume. This is a woody floral fragrance named after Madden's tween daughter. The fragrance's woody base features notes of amberwood, soft musk, pear, jasmine. This retails for $78. Will be available April 29th. I would at least smell it, because I mean, he might be duping everything under the sun. And I know a lot of people don't like that. Like, that's why they don't like Steve Madden. But the dupes be hitting, and sometimes the dupes hit harder than whatever it's inspired by. So I would at least smell this. It's very cute packaging. This is from La Roche-Posay. New improved Mela B3 Serum, Dark Spot Serum Corrector. Born from 18 years of research, breakthrough innovation, this anti-aging serum visibly reduces a range of skin discoloration, including sunspots, age spots, post-acne marks, and even the most stubborn dark spots. Recommended for visible discoloration, dark spots, age spots, sunspots, post-acne marks, uneven skin tone, dullness, and lack of radiance. Is that a price? Did I miss the price? Is this it? $44.99, which, you know, La Roche-Posay, you can find that at like Target, like some drugstore, stuff like that. It do be a little pricey for that brand, but compared to other brands, $44.99, especially if it does what it's supposed to do. You can find this at Amazon, Walgreens, CVS, and Ulta. Okay, new from Serena Williams, which I feel like a long time ago I did a video where they had said that she was coming out with some type of makeup line, skincare hybrid type thing, because she is an athlete who wears makeup. I don't know if she had launched something before and then they scrapped it and then they came out with this, or if this is what I was talking about back then, but it just took forever for it to come out. But Armani Beauty is out now. It includes Word of Mouth Max Comfort Matte Lipstick, most versatile pigment, multi-function lip and cheek color, Say Everything Max Intensity Featherweight Lipstick. Where's the skin tint? That's what I'm looking for. Okay, featuring you hydrating skin tint, retails for $29. I would check this brand out. I see a lot of people saying, oh my God, another celebrity makeup brand. Nobody asked for this. Her makeup never looks good. Blah, 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 blah. It doesn't make sense. Now, we've talked about this before in my downfall videos where, you know, if the brand seems like it makes sense for the celebrity putting it out, it usually does better, because it just, you can really tell, like, you know, you put thought into this. You know, Makeup Shayla just launched athletic wear. That makes sense for her, because you've been following, if you know who she is enough, then you know that she has been on a fitness journey for years, and she really does put in the work when it comes to fitness. So for her to launch athletic wear, it makes sense. The people saying that it doesn't make sense for Serena to launch a cosmetic line, I'm trying to figure out like how that does not make sense, because she is an athlete who wears makeup while she's competing. Now, whether you like how she does her makeup herself is, you know, another story. But it's just so funny because, like, there was this big conversation about college women's basketball players, and they were like, why is, you know, Maybelline and L'Oreal, stuff like this, not knocking down their doors, because they be on that court up and down, you know, full face beat makeup, hair, wig installed, all of that. Like, that is the person who will be showing people that your makeup can last even when you're sweating, stuff like that, blah, 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 blah. And I would think an athlete who wears makeup while performing knows what they do and do not like, and could provide makeup that would help you in instances where, you know, either you're an athlete, you're competing, or, you know, just regular everyday people who still wear makeup but are in situations where they're going to sweat more, or they might be a little bit more active, maybe, you know, for you to go to work so that it lasts longer throughout the day. So like, it makes sense to me. Like I said, whether you like how her makeup looks on her, because I've heard that she's the one who does her makeup herself, that is a different story. You also don't know if it's her own brand that she's using when she does. I am intrigued. I think the packaging is very cute, and I've actually heard good things being said for the people who have tried it. So I would definitely try this out, and I definitely plan on picking up the skin tint because that's the thing that I've seen people talking about the most. Okay, this go around doing pretty well. Okay, I see a lot of perfume from like brands that you wouldn't think are launching perfumes. Ooh, new joining the Power Grip family. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray from e.l.f. Cosmetics, a bi-phase makeup setting spray with fine mist that grips makeup for long-lasting wear with a hydrated dewy finish with a makeup gripping water base and a moisturizing oil phase. Shake to activate. Retails for only $10. Will I be checking this out? Absolutely positive. Actually, Shanine, go purchase this right after you finish doing this video because, excuse me, first of all, the Power Grip is a good dupe for Hydro Grip. I don't care what nobody says. But even if it wasn't the, you know, exact replica of Hydro Grip, Power Grip itself is still a good makeup primer. So if they put that in a setting spray, yeah. New, more blushes, luminous silk cheek tints from Armani Beauty. Coming soon, so I don't see a price, but it says melts into the skin with its watercolor technology, inspired by Armani lipsticks. Now I have tried blushes, like liquid blushes from Armani before, and they are actually really good liquid blushes. So if the formula is anything like that, or just only the fact that they can produce good liquid blushes, I would be intrigued to try this. The shades that I see here look very cute. Their shades are also flattering, even for someone of a deeper complexion. So yeah, I would check that out whenever it comes out. Okay, let's do like one more because we, like I said, it's been good so far and I don't want nobody to piss me off. So, new matte bronzer, oh my God, powder from Sephora Collection, a bronzing powder that has a hybrid creamy silky texture that melts into the skin for a natural sun-kissed result. Retails for $16 each. Helps to smooth and soften the appearance of skin for a flawless complexion all day long. Fine and weightless formula. Prevents a powdery effect. Okay. Prevents a powdery effect or harsh lines while warming the complexion. Y'all know I be telling y'all people sleep on Sephora Collection. They make very good skincare and makeup products. I think they're phasing out the micro smoothing powder, which everyone was losing their mind about on TikTok. But I tried that. The other bronzers from Sephora, the foundations, concealers, they make very good products. I would not be surprised if this is another good product. So would I try this out? Yes, I would. Okay, and like I said, we want to end this on a high note, and also my camera only gives me like 4 minutes left on my SD card. So those are the new products that you can expect to either be launching around the time that this video goes up, or in the next coming weeks, months, something like that. I actually saw a lot that I'm like, wait a minute, okay, I want to see it'd be very hit or miss every month. You just gotta take it as it comes. But I'm excited. It's giving fun. Summer is gonna smell good, you're gonna look good, skin gonna be glistening. I'm here for it. So those are the newest launches that are coming out. Let me know if there's anything you guys want a specific video on. And let me know if there's anything else new coming out that I did not mention in this video, but you would also like me to check out. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.